Hello everyone and welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today in New Year FY 2022 we will unbox something new from TouchElex brand. You already saw my another video about their other smartwatch sport tracker, and this one is something new they just started to manufacture. It has a Harley, named Harley. It's a TouchElex Technology Industrial, color all available: black, rose gold, model TGW006. Fitness watch, USB charger cable, USB manual. And this is it from this much. TouchElex Harley series. It has a 1.75 inch very bright smart display, and it has all the newest technology things such as oxygen monitor, heart rate monitor, and free ATM water resistant. Let's open and see how it looks like and how it. I will leave the link as well under the video so you can get yours within the Amazon. It costs $49.99, and let's see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like when you open the box. Let's take it out to see what's inside. Okay, let's move it. And there is a booklet, Harley smartwatch user manual with different languages: Spanish, English, French. So that's it. And there is a USB charger which goes under here, the simple USB charger. We don't need to open this, as you know, everyone knows how it looks like. Okay, let's turn on take out this. So it's a very 1.75 inches big display. Let's see if there is a charge there, or we need to charge it. Yeah, it boot up. The TouchElex logo. And let's see. Yeah, there is a language: English, French, Deutsch, Italian, Spanish, and Chinese. So select English in our case, and it says download TouchElex apps to go to your own, or you can just click here to get the QR code and do your scanning. And this is how it looks like on your wrist. Let me put on real quick so you can see how it looks like. When you put it on, there are two rubber things to keep the strap well, so don't it sit on tight. And this is how it looks like, guys. This is nearly the same as the Apple Watch 45mm, and it has a very good rubber straps, and it is very lightweight. So this is it, guys. It's quick unboxing. I will leave the link below if you want to get yours from the Amazon. And stay well, stay cool. Bye bye.